All right, part two. Back on the XT1 Cub Cadet 46-inch. Blades are done. Spark plugs are done. We're going to attack the Chia Pet filter. The only way I know how to get this off here safely is get my shop vac out. And you're going to probably go nuts listening to this thing, but here we go. Turn off your headphones. That stuff's really in there. I think this just lifts up. Oh, yeah. A poor mower. I gotta be careful here. That don't look too bad. Hey, she's gonna breathe again. All right, Kohler, genuine parts. Always. Part number is right there. Got it from the Amazon. The Amazon. Kohler air filter. Let me cut her open. Pre-filter. Gonna go on there. Again, I'm not gonna be able to do it two hands. Be right back. Okay, internet controversy. Some people say to oil it. Some people say leave it dry. I used to oil them on dirt bikes, but look at that. Oh yeah, that's a nice snug fit. She's on there all the way around. Nothing's gonna get past her. That's on. There's the nice new air filter, which hides under that badge right there. There's that side. There's that side. Yeah, I'm going to give the mower a bath later. Not today, though. Air filter's done. What else do we need? Let's do... You know what? I'm not going to change that today because I've ordered new fuel line. I bought some racing fuel line. It's not for this. It's for my other project, but I'm going to have enough of it to do this. Let's talk about the fuel filter. This is garbage. That little metal piece of crap in there, that's already coming apart. That's not even been used yet. I just put it on the other day. These are what I use right here. And hang on. Please do not go to Amazon and buy this bag. I thought I was going to save a couple bucks. These are junk. The fuel lines just slide off these things. They're garbage. They're garbage. So what I always run, and I've had great success with them, is the Arnold fuel filter, FF fuel filter, 125A. I want to say, I looked it up the other day. I want to say it was a 70 micron or something like that, or maybe a 50 micron, or I don't remember. I'm going to have to Google it again. So this is about 5 years old, and I just took it off and put it onto my racing golf cart. That's all I've ever ran on that thing. And then I'm going to put one on this Ryobi generator because it doesn't have one, so that's why I got 3. So I ordered 3 off the Amazon. Everything looks the same. It's still 1/4 inch inside diameter, 5/16 outside diameter. I believe, no, wait, 5/16, 1/4 inch or 5/16. So this has the nipple on it. Oh yeah, there it is. There's your UPC. Can't read it because it's in the bag. There's the old one. So I'm going to go ahead and slap that on. No, I'm not going to slap that on. Yeah, I'm waiting for my fuel line. Those will go on. What else do we got to cover? I still like that Chia Pet air filter right there. That thing was awesome. Got my hood clamps. All right, plugs are in. I don't got a whole lot more to do. Oil, engine oil, of course. I only run the amsoil. Needs a better plug than that. Amsoil's 100% Cinex small engine commercial grade 1030. That goes in everything. That goes in my lawnmower. It goes in my generator. I have a case of this on hand, mostly for hurricane season, because people don't realize you got to change your oil in your generator almost every 40 hours of runtime on the conventional garbage because it evaporates and sludges up. I got me my Kohler oil filter, which is model number 120501S1. I got that off the Amazon. And I don't know if I have affiliate links or not. If I do, I'll throw them in the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and run this bad boy. And then I'll think about changing the oil. Fuel, very important. Chevron, Tektron. Oh, and when you're working, please use floor jacks on your mowers when you jack them up. That was when I was doing the blades. Hey, we got a critter on the floor. Oh, I was about to cry. I saw my flashlight getting crushed. Wouldn't that have been bad? I crushed my favorite, my Icon flashlight. This is the garbage one. Yeah, that's the broken one. All right, let's let Mr. Mower down. I'll cut it with the deck off, or the deck off. I'll cut it with the hood off. It'll be cool like those racing guys. The only thing I gotta do is keep this away from heat. That's the headlights. The headlight wire. We don't want that going anywhere near heat. I'll just zip tie it there for now. All right, I'm gonna go cut the grass. I got new blades, new plugs, and a new air filter. Got to change the oil, change the fuel filter, change the fuel line, put the hood back on with the new clamps and my new tires. Then she's officially 100% ready for lawnmower season. And you guys got to stay tuned because you're going to love. So these tires, they're okay. There's a ton of nails, or not nails, prickly things that are in the yard that are in it. And I got to put air in it every time I want to use it. So I bought me some new tires. Plus, we're agricultural out here. My yard is nothing but cattle grass. Literally goes brown in November and stays brown until last weekend. Now it's green and growing like hotcakes. So I cut every 4 days. And I got me some nice tires coming so I won't get stuck anymore in the wet grass or the hills. So with that all to say, that was your kind of, I don't know, long-winded video on air filter. But I gave you the synopsis of everything else. And oil, fuel line, fuel filter, and tires. And that is a complete tune-up on this bad boy. This bad boy's never had this much love. I'm sure it's going to run just fantastic just with what I did. So see you guys later. Stay tuned for part 3 and the final part.